There's Papa. He's a good Papa too. He will rest on the... He just got off the eggs. Mama just went inside. And she's a-looking. She has either 5 or 6 eggs now. Not sure. They take turns going in and out of the nest. So I haven't gotten a chance to see any more. But the last time I looked, she had 4, and I know she's had another one since, just by the way she's acting. But anyway, that's Mama Bird, and that's Papa Bird. Mama and Papa. You know, if humans would watch these birds, they would know, or they could learn, at least, how man and woman should treat one another. These birds are so dedicated to each other. They groom one another, they comfort one another, they share even hatching the eggs. They are just awesome. If I ever find a mate, which is not likely, but if I could find a human like this bird, yep, I would get married. Been single for 15 years. But if I found one that came close to how good of a caregiver and love as Papa Bird, I would take that chance. Look at that sweet mama. She's taking care of her babies. Yes, she is. Isn't she beautiful? Okay, Papa's getting a little upset, so I'm going to turn the video off now.